late. Hello, Dinah.
Hello, Noddy.
Thanks, Mr. Blood.
Look, it's Noddy. Look at us, Noddy.
Sorry, can't stop, little Skittles. Hello, Wiz. Hello, Lindy. Beep.
Hello, Noddy.
Here you are, Tessie. The music.
Thanks, Noddy. Just in time. Ready, paper dolls? We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah!
Oh, Gobbo, listen to all that music and dancing.
Look at the funometer, Sly.
We'll soon put a stop to their fun. I present the Goblin Gizmo Sound Sucker.
What does it do?
It sucks up sound, silly.
Wow, that bird's lost its tweet. Oh, can I have a go? Can I have a go?
This is not a toy, Gobbo. It's a very delicate instrument.
Yeah, but...
Come on, we've got some fun to spoil.
My sing-along machine. It's broken.
Never mind. We can make our own music. Come on, everyone. Join in. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Go, 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 go.
Gobbo, are you having fun?
Who, me? No, not me. I can't stand fun. Look.
Right.
Our spoons.
What's happened to my big noisy feet?
Sly. Can I have a go? Can I? Oh, please.
Very peculiar.
Oh, Sly!
The Goblins. Bumpy. Don't worry, Bumpy. We'll get your bark back.
This sound sucker's a real fun buster.
Oh, I wouldn't know. You never let me use it. Oh, go on, Sly, please. Pretty please.
Oh, stop whining.
whining. I just want to go.
Be quiet, Gobbo. Brilliant.
Oh, come on, Sly. I'd really like a go, and you've had it all the time. It's not fair.
I said be quiet.
There they are.
No, I don't care how much you want to go, Gobbo. It's my toy. I mean, my delicate instrument. Noddy, why didn't you tell me? Oh!
Quickly, Carl. You're getting away with all the sounds. Look out! What a noise! Cuckoo! Bumpy? Cuckoo!
Listen to those birds. And the cuckoo sounds like Dapple. Oh! Oh, don't worry, Mr. Beetle. It's not the train. It's my whistle.
Toy Town sounds are all mixed up.
Noddy, our tap shoes.
They're beeping like car.
And listen to my sing-along machine.
Oh, that's not funny.
I'm going to find those goblins and put these sounds back where they belong. Oh, a duck. A pirate? What are they doing in the wood? Unless it's not a duck or a pirate at all.
Run for it! It's not funny.
Har, har, har.
Will you stop saying that?
Har, 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 har.
Gobbo!
Har, har.
Right, that's it.
Oh dear, what a mess.
Har, har, har.
Broken? Oh, never mind. I know who can fix it.
Har, har.
Thanks for mending the sound sucker, Wiz.
Har, har.
OK, here goes. So that's all the sounds sucked up. Now we just need to blow them back out in the right order. Well?
Ruff, ruff.
Beep.
My sing-along machine's working. And so are our tap shoes.
Hooray! Looks like everything's back to normal.
Oh, not quite everything, Noddy.
I've heard of tap dancing, but not quack dancing.
Quack.